In today's design world, the concept of bringing the outdoors in has become more than a trend, it's a movement toward harmony, sustainability, and emotional well-being. Nature-inspired wall decor, especially using wood, is a powerful way to transform the atmosphere of any space. Wood has an inherent warmth, richness, and tactile appeal that make it a perfect medium for design. Its organic textures and natural variations can turn plain walls into storytelling surfaces that exude peace, history, and a connection to the earth. Whether you're decorating a modern urban loft, a cozy cottage, a boho-style apartment, or a traditional family home, nature-inspired wood wall decor ideas offer a universal appeal that transcends style boundaries. These designs don't just beautify walls, they bring nature's rhythms into your daily life. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of nature-inspired wall decor ideas using wood for any space. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here, let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. One of the most striking ways to introduce wood into wall decor is by incorporating live edge wood panels. These are slabs of wood that retain their natural edges and imperfections, showcasing the raw beauty of the tree they came from. Unlike milled or highly processed lumber, live edge pieces allow you to appreciate the uniqueness of every curve and grain pattern. Installed vertically as accent panels or horizontally behind a bed or couch, live edge wood provides a grounding presence in any room. The flowing lines mimic natural forms like rivers or mountain ridges, subtly reminding you of the wilderness. Depending on the tone and finish, it can feel rustic, elegant, or contemporary, making it one of the most versatile options in nature-inspired decor. Another creative and accessible approach is the use of wood slice wall art. These are cross-sections of small logs or branches arranged in patterns on a wall to create an organic mosaic. Whether left natural or sanded and polished, each slice tells a visual story through its tree rings. You can arrange them in structured grids, random clusters, or even craft a large mural resembling a tree or sunburst. This decor idea not only introduces visual texture and depth, but it also invites curiosity. Guests might find themselves drawn in to count the rings or examine the grain. This method is a perfect way to use salvaged wood or pruned branches, giving them a second life in your space. Branch and driftwood installations elevate walls with sculptural, artistic impact. By mounting curved, twisted, or naturally weathered pieces of wood directly onto the wall, you can create the impression of forest art inside your home. These pieces are ideal for gallery walls or as standalone decor. For a minimalist feel, mount a single curved branch across a white wall. For more drama, cluster a group to simulate a forest canopy. Driftwood works especially well in coastal or bohemian interiors and can be paired with neutral palettes and soft textiles. You can even hang lightweight items like air plants or glass lanterns from sturdier pieces to make the design more interactive and functional. For those who appreciate both art and flora, wood-framed botanical prints or dried plant displays on wood panels are an elegant nod to nature. Use raw wood frames or mount printed ferns, leaves, and wildflowers on stained wooden boards to blend two organic materials in one piece. These combinations work beautifully in bedrooms, hallways, or reading nooks, where subtle natural touches create a calming environment. For a more vintage feel, use reclaimed barn wood as the background and frame illustrations in antique style. The soft greens and browns of botanical art blend perfectly with wood tones, ensuring a harmonious visual experience. More dynamic and textured than a flat panel, 3D wood mosaic tiles are an increasingly popular way to add interest to a wall. These tiles, made from small wooden blocks or unevenly cut slats, are arranged in patterns to create a tactile surface that catches the light differently throughout the day. They can be stained in various tones or left in their natural hues for a more authentic feel. Whether you cover an entire wall or just create a framed feature section, the interplay of depth, light, and shadow makes for a captivating focal point. These mosaics work well in entryways, dining rooms, or behind a TV wall to introduce an upscale yet earthy look. Vertical gardens or plant walls with wood backing marry greenery with timber in the most literal way. Build a slatted wood frame on the wall and insert pockets for potted plants or climbing vines. The wood serves as both a support structure and a visual frame, warming up the greenery and giving it a grounded context. This kind of decor is especially impactful in small apartments or urban homes where access to outdoor space may be limited. Not only does it purify the air and add life to the room, but it also becomes a constantly evolving piece of art. Opt for moisture-resistant wood types and integrate subtle lighting to highlight the textures and colors in the evenings. If you're inclined toward craftsmanship, wood-burned pyrography art allows you to add personal and artistic touches to your wall decor. Using a heated tool, you can etch images, quotes, or patterns into wood panels. Choose motifs like leaves, trees, wildlife, or mandalas for a nature-inspired theme. The result is a one-of-a-kind piece that brings a handcrafted feel to your space. Wood burning can be done on small plaques arranged gallery style or on a single large centerpiece. For added dimension, combine pyrography with paint washes or natural stains that enhance the grain. Floating wood shelves aren't just functional, they are a design opportunity. Choose shelves made from reclaimed or live-edge wood and use them to display organic elements like potted succulents, pebbles, feathers, and wooden sculptures. The combination of shelf and content becomes a unified decorative composition. This idea is especially useful in small spaces or multi-purpose rooms where you need both beauty and utility. For extra harmony, use matching wood tones for frames, furniture, and accessories throughout the room. Minimalist floating shelves also allow the natural beauty of the wood grain to shine, rather than being overshadowed by brackets or supports. Wood-framed mirrors are another brilliant way to blend light and nature. A mirror reflects natural light and makes rooms feel larger, while the wood frame adds character and grounding. For a nature-inspired design, opt for irregular or raw-edge frames, or even use thick reclaimed timber with visible knots and textures. In a bathroom, this can soften the sleekness of tile and porcelain. In an entryway, it makes for a welcoming feature that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Another charming and budget-friendly project is wood pallet art with stenciled or hand-painted designs. You can dismantle old pallets, sand the slats, and reassemble them into a canvas-like structure. Then, stencil nature quotes, tree silhouettes, or botanical patterns directly onto the wood. This form of art feels rustic and heartfelt, perfect for farmhouse or country-style interiors. It's also a great medium for seasonal decor. You can easily update or rotate the panels with changing colors or themes. If you're aiming for a more immersive transformation, consider covering an entire wall with wood paneling. Use reclaimed wood in different tones for a patchwork look, or go for uniform planks for a sleek, Scandinavian style. Vertical planks can make ceilings feel higher, while horizontal ones add width. This technique works especially well in dens, bedrooms, and offices where you want a cozy, cocoon-like feel. To keep the look natural and not overly dark, use whitewashed or light-toned wood and balance it with white ceilings or walls. For a whimsical touch, tree-inspired decals or carvings in wood can create a forest mural or a symbolic tree of life. These can be carved into panels, created with laser-cut wood sheets, or built in relief using layers. Add small hooks or clips to hang family photos, making it both an art piece and a visual family tree. Such installations bring story and symbolism into your home while doubling as conversation starters. Another layered approach is to use wooden latticework or trellises on interior walls. These geometric wooden structures, usually used outdoors for vines, can be mounted indoors as decorative grills. They can serve as a semi-functional partition, a backdrop for hanging plants, or a sculptural wall feature. Choose darker stains for elegance or keep them raw for a more organic vibe. To add a global, natural influence, consider wood carvings inspired by nature, like Balinese panels, African tree masks, or Scandinavian folk patterns. These cultural interpretations of nature through wood bring texture and meaning into your home. Incorporating such pieces into a gallery wall or making them focal points above furniture ties in nature with artistic expression. Lighting also plays a role in wood decor. Install backlit wooden panels or cutouts featuring tree silhouettes or geometric forest patterns. When the light shines through, it casts dramatic shadows that change with the time of day. This technique adds both functionality and ambience, especially in hallways or evening spaces. Lastly, don't forget about small wood details that collectively change a wall's character. Wooden coat racks shaped like branches, pegboards with natural finishes, picture ledges made from bark-trimmed planks, and hooks made from dowels or twigs. When thoughtfully arranged, these pieces contribute to a cohesive nature-inspired atmosphere, proving that even small accents matter. Incorporating nature-inspired wall decor using wood is more than just a design choice, it's a lifestyle shift. It's about embracing authenticity, texture, and grounding elements in an increasingly digital and synthetic world. Wood brings warmth, depth, and story to your walls, whether you go bold with full paneling or subtle with handmade wooden art. These ideas are scalable, adaptable, and uniquely personal, allowing you to reflect your environment, your values, and your creativity. Whether you're redecorating a single room or your entire home, nature-inspired wooden wall decor will not only elevate your space, it will enrich your daily experience with the timeless beauty of the natural world. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.